Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the limiting beliefs that you have surrounding money, particularly the one about if you have a ton of money, you must be an evil capitalist. I'm going to be talking about that in this video and how you can actually replace that belief with something more empowering. If this is your first time here and you're watching this from YouTube or Rumble, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Rumble so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. When we've grown up, we've been conditioned to believe a certain way when it comes to money. Whether you want to admit it or not, you have limiting beliefs surrounding money. And particularly the one that I've been hearing a lot of people talk about, whether you're starting an online business for yourself or you've been looking at successful people who earn well over six figures and beyond, you may be tempted to think that, because they're earning a lot of money, that they must have scammed a lot of people just to get to where they are today. That is the conditioning mindset belief that a lot of people have. And it's no surprise there because, as I mentioned earlier, we've all been conditioned and been programmed to think a certain way when it comes to money. And because of that, those limiting beliefs surrounding money really stop us from having the kind of success that we want, especially when it comes to building a business. Like, let's say your desire, your goal is to actually build a business for yourself. Well, how can you build a business for yourself if you believe that people that earn six figures and beyond, who earn a ton of money online, or however way they do it, must be an evil capitalist? Let's remember something here. It's not the money that's evil. It's your mindset around the money that makes you believe that. So remember that money is just nothing more than a dirty piece of paper. That's all it is. It's just dirty paper. And we don't hoard all this dirty paper for ourselves just to put in a closet and hoard it and stuff it and stock it in that closet. We use that money for something. Now, unfortunately, just to keep it real and transparent with you, there are a lot of people out there who are earning well over six figures and beyond, who are not doing it in a very ethical kind of way, who are scamming people left to right, and the people that end up getting scammed don't ever get anything in return for what they paid for. I can understand why you would think that people that earn a ton of money must be an evil capitalist, but you got to keep something in mind here. You use the money also. So if you really believe that those people who earn a ton of money are evil capitalists, well then you must be evil yourself too, because you're using the money and not something else. Oh, but that's different. How's it any different? The people that earn well over six figures and beyond are always doing something with the money. They're not just hoarding it all in like a closet somewhere and never doing anything with it. They're reinvesting it. They're investing it towards worthy causes. They're doing all these sorts of things. Like you, for instance, you use money to provide food for yourselves and your loved ones. You use money to pay the bills. You use money for entertainment, to travel, to go out somewhere. So don't think that money is evil and the people that earn tons of money are evil, you got to change that kind of mindset. I'm not saying that there isn't evil people out there who have a ton of money, but not everyone that earns tons and tons of money are evil capitalists. If you really want to build a business for yourself in the long term, you got to get rid of that mindset thinking, because that's not going to help you build a successful business online in the long term, or any business for that matter. It doesn't matter what you're selling. If you truly believe that people that earn tons of money are evil capitalists, let that belief go and instead replace it with money is a tool that I use as a means to an end. You may want to write that down. Instead of saying people that earn tons and tons of money are evil capitalists, replace it with this belief instead. Money is nothing more than a tool that I use as a means to an end. And when you make that mindset shift, you'll start to notice that your mindset starts feeling different. You start feeling different about how you see money. Remember that it's nothing more than a means to an end. And don't equate money with evil people. Now, I'm not saying there isn't evil people out there who have tons of money, but not everyone out there that earns tons of money is doing evil deeds. So be mindful of the kind of limiting beliefs that you have surrounding money. There may actually be more than this belief that I just touched on here in this video that you may still be circulating in your head, either consciously or subconsciously. And it's very important that you be mindful of that, because the mindset that you have around money really does affect the success that you have in your life, regardless if it's building a business or something else entirely. I trust that you got a ton of value out of this video. And if you're curious to know how you can better work on your mindset right now, this is what I'd like you to do. There will be a link directly below in the video description for my #1 recommendation for mindset transformation. I want you to click on that link, opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through, lock in your spot, and get positioned as soon as possible so that you can start reprogramming your mind with powerful exercises to set yourself up for the success that you deserve in your life. But that's not going to be possible unless you click on the link below for my #1 recommendation for mindset transformation right now. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching today's video. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.